All right, bro. Just want to do an update. Got everything strapped down. Getting ready. Yep, everything's strapped down. All we need is one in the back because the e-brake works amazingly. I don't know how, but yeah, I'm gonna wash them today. All of this was when I was working on them. I was checking out how bad it was, and actually all of this is good. That's all him. Not bad at all. And this, I brought it down a lot. This thing was like coming out. But yeah, little by little. So everything's in there. Oh, look at nice little turbo. Not little, it's pretty big. Clean them up today. Look at the RB. Ooh, yeah, barn fine. Yeah. Dang, that's still there, bro. That was there from when I look at the airbrush. I mean the metal brush. Looks pretty good under there. All right, bro. I'll update you. Show you everything. Look how square he is, man. Beautiful. Can't wait. All right, love you, bro. There he goes. He is on his way. I'll take a video when I get up there. All right, so look at that beautiful machine. So right now I'm doing a sequence of soaking all the dirt shit that I got on it. So I did one. I'm not gonna let it dry. I'm gonna soak it again in a minute. It's just like you know, start breaking down the mold and shit like that, and then I'll go over it with the soap and stuff like that. So little by little I'll get it going. Clean the wheels, the tires are moldy, everything. Get all this stuff out. I'll clean them up and then I'll show you guys the next video. So he looks amazing. Yep, I'll hit you up with the next video, guys. Thanks for watching. Took the hood off so you can check it out. Looks good. Morning, guys. I'm here at the shop again. Today we're gonna be doing an oil change on the RB right here, and I'm gonna be painting the valve covers for my brother. I already started. I took the metal off, but I want to actually take out the valve covers and then pour the new oil in through the top. I also bought the socket to, says it's a 27, so we'll see. Bought the socket down there. I'll show you the paint scheme that I have going set up. So we got, let's see. Okay. So we got some Mobile 1 10W30. I bought the ratchet 1/2 inch. The 27 millimeter. Got some electrical cleaner, some car brake cleaner, and the duplicate color purple is the one that my brother wanted. That color, I've used it before with a friend of mine, Junior, 240 owner, and it reveals whatever you have under. It reveals it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a metallic gold base coat, and then we're gonna put this on top of it. See how that turns out. Got the oil filter from a 300 ZX 93. Fit right on the RB. Looks good. So let's see. I'll update you guys. I just wanted to let you know what we're doing. I'll update you guys once I take off the valve covers to review the internal so you guys can see it. I'll do another video. All right, thanks. The valve covers up and look how they look inside. Still got the Chinese writing on it. That's how new these engines are, you know, when they come from Japan. Look at this. No wear and tear, the brand new. These motors are brand new. I'm trying to see if they put cams on them or anything like that. I don't see any signs. I don't know. There's something here though, weird. I don't know what that means, but there's a black line on this one and a red one on that one. So whatever that is. I don't see any name brands. It looks stock to me, but the coil packs, they're brand new. And I'm seeing a real big plus here. These are not broken off and they're not toasted either. Let me see. Nope. They're nice. They're coming off nice. I think they're good. Yeah, they're coming off really nice. Not toasted. That's a big plus. Yep. So next update is, I don't know if I should, nah, I'm gonna leave the half moons in there in the back. I'll just clean all this out when I put them back on there. Okay, next thing is I'm gonna take out the oil and I'll update you guys on how the oil looks and all of that, and then yeah, I'll show you the next video on that. All right, so we're about ready. I just loosened the bolt. We're about ready to drop the oil. See how it looks. Pretty dark. But overall, it does not look bad. But it's pretty dark and thick. Let me see. I'll put the bolt. I like this oil pan because you can put the bolt there. You know what I mean? Yeah, it feels normal. It smells a little bit like gas, not a lot. Yeah, it smells normal. Not bad. Smells healthy though. This engine's pretty healthy. So we got that going on, and then I hope that's a 27. I bought a 27 socket with a 1/2 inch. So we'll see if that goes well. Let's see what happens. All right, so I just did the base coat. That's 5 layers each. So I did, that can did 10 layers on this size of valve cover. And I'll tell you, it covers very, very, very good, because that was a deep scratch right there. And I sanded down as much as I could, but you can still see it. And look, you can hardly see it now. That. So it's looking good. I gotta turn them around so it can catch some heat on the other side. That's not running the paint. That's just the, what do you call it? Yeah, it's not running at all. If you can see the glare, see, it's not running at all. It's just the glitter in it. But I gotta turn it around so it can catch some heat on the other side. I'll give you guys an update of the second coat. I mean the second paint. It's gonna go with this, and we'll do 10 layers of that too. All right, bye. So that will be the first layer of the purple. Man, I'm telling you yourself, this is gonna look so nice. That's the first layer of purple. And this purple is actually a lot glossier than that. I've used it before and the color is insane, but I've never used it with the base coat of gold under. So it's probably gonna give it that much more glitter. It's gonna look nice. It's gonna look really nice. That's the second coat. It's heating up right now. I put it over here now because there's no wind coming in, so it's just heat. And it's gonna be 70 today, so that's not bad. All right, so that's the second coat. I'll update you guys when I do all the 10 coats, and you guys will see the finished product. All right, so on the fitment on this on top, I had to bang this bracket. Was like really bent. You could tell where it was bent. You could tell the paint cracked, but it was like basically touching here. It was over this. Started banging it out, and look at the fitment now. The thing is like mint, and you could tell by how beautiful it fits with the turbo, with the, look at that. So we're about to see it. Oh my god, that looks so beautiful. You saw that the engine came out insane. You were right, purple and gold. Beautiful, gorgeous. So we'll see it now. I'll update you guys when I do the whole piping. All right, bro.